Welcome back to slprimestudio YouTube channel. I'm Samit and I created my own video. I used voicemaker.in for adding voice to my video. Today I'm going to sharing with you a collection of tools which are very commonly used in Photoshop. Let's go to the topic. Today I used movetool and elliptical marquee tool for this tutorial. I'll show you how those tool is used my creation. I'm going to change teacup into water. Let's see that. I select a picture from my computer which was downloaded from pexel.com. The appearance of the picture is surface of the water. I drag the file onto the layer that I already opened into the Photoshop. Then I resize it via using Move tool. I decrease opacity of the picture. I open a new layer and I rename it as Water Cup. I zoom in the layer. I select elliptical tool in the toolbar. I drag the cursor from center of the teacup. When I drag the cursor with pressing Shift and Alt key to draw round shape selection on the teacup. Then I copy the selection. I paste the selection onto the new layer that I opened previously. I remove visibility of the layer. I select Move tool and scale the selected area on the teacup. You can use arrow keys to scale the selection. I use Move tool and I drag the selection from corner side of the selection. Then I go to the blending options. I hope to bring you more about blending options in future tutorial. You can see how to blend water with teacup. You can select suitable blending option from this options. I select hue option for changing teacup into water cup. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope to bring you a new Photoshop tutorial in later. If you gain something into your knowledge, please be kind enough to join with me. Feel free to leave a comment on the comment section.